Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put up one of our balloon garland kits. I'm going to keep this intro short, so let's head on to the tutorial. We're going to show you how to prep your balloon garland by starting off how the tape works. First, we're going to start off by making a square of the painter's tape, so whenever you're done with your balloon garland, you can just pull the tape off without ruining your paint on the wall. Next, you're going to add your wall hook over your blue square and make another blue square over the wall hook to secure it. Next, we're going to take the balloon garland string and hook it to the wall by using ribbon. Now it's time to attach the balloon to the balloon garland string. It is easy. All you have to do is push the balloon knot through the hole that is in the balloon garland string. Now your next step is to keep going up your balloon garland with all your balloons. And this is what a completed balloon garland will look like. And just to let you know that this one is 6 feet long. When picking out our balloon garlands, you will have the range of 4 feet to 20 feet to choose from. Don't you worry, I'm not going to leave you hanging. Keep watching and you're going to see what theme we chose for these balloons. And there you have it. That's how you put up your own Zoey Christina balloon garland kit. Click the website link down below to see all the balloon garland kits that we have. Like and subscribe, but comment down below what theme you want to see us do next. Bye!